Good morning, children. Till now in this lesson, we have learned how to measure the length and area. In today's session, we will learn to measure the volume of an object. Now, what is volume? Volume is the measure of the extent of space occupied by a body. We use measuring cylinders to measure the volume of liquids such as oil, milk, water, etc. The volume of liquids is expressed in liters or milliliters. This is a measuring cylinder. The measuring cylinders are in a shape of a cylinder with graduations marked on its body. They are available in different sizes and are used to measure the volume of liquids. We also measure the volume of loose solids like sand, clay, cement, etc. Let us learn how to measure the volume of solids. Take few identical cubes of length, breadth and height 1 cm each and a cardboard box of length 3 cm, breadth 2 cm and height 2 cm. Place cubes in the box in proper lines and one line over the other so that the total space is occupied by the blocks. Since each cube has measurement of 1 cm each, volume of the cube is length into breadth into height, that is 1 into 1 into 1, which gives 1 cm cube. If 12 boxes occupy the space in the rectangular box, then the volume of the box will be 12 into 1, that is 12 centimeter cube. We can also measure the volume of irregular objects using a measuring cylinder. For this, take a measuring cylinder and fill almost half of it with water. Record the volume of water. Let us assume it to be V1 centimeter cube. Now, tie a small irregular solid like stone with a fine cotton thread. Put the solid gently into the water in the cylinder so that it is completely immersed in water. What changes do you notice in the water level of the cylinder now? Yes, you may notice that the level of water in the measuring cylinder rises as the stone displaces water equal to its own volume. Record the new volume of water. Let it be V2 centimeter cube. Now the volume of the stone will be the difference between the second volume and the first volume, that is V2 minus V1. For example, if the volume of the water in the cylinder initially was 50 milliliters, after immersing the stone, the volume of water rose to 75 milliliters. So what will be the volume of the object? It will be 75 minus 50, that is 15 centimeter cube. So the volume of the irregular shaped object here is 15 centimeter cube. The volume of liquids are written in ml while those of solids is written in centimeter cube. That is 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. With this, we end with the lesson. Thank you.